tired of your emails landing in the spam folder? Let's fix that by setting up a Sendgrid account, the secret weapon for reliable email delivery. First, head over to sendgrid.com and click on Start for free. You'll need to fill in your email address, create a username, and choose a strong password. Alternatively, you can sign up with your Google account. Sendgrid offers various plans, including a free plan, which is perfect for getting started. Select the plan that fits your needs. Once you're logged in, navigate to the settings menu usually found on the left-hand side. Click on Sender Authentication. This is crucial. Click on Authenticate your domain. It drastically improves deliverability. Follow the steps provided to add DNS records to your domain settings. Then, go to Sender Verification and create the new sender identity. This is the email address you'll be sending emails from. Now, navigate to API Keys section and click Create API Key. Give your API key a descriptive name. Choose Restricted Access and grant it necessary permission. Save this key somewhere safe, as you won't be able to see it again. Lastly, go to Email AP and Integration Guide to configure your email settings. And that's it. With your Sendgrid account set up, you're now ready to send emails that actually reach your audience. Happy emailing!